So yeah, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. I'm just starting off the video like this with my GoPro. Charged it last night. It's not charged that much, but I feel like it would do. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for this. I got an email last night from Ryan about the new tune. He did say that that he's turning up the boost pressure higher. So last time you guys probably saw it was probably like 20 to 21 psi, so he probably turned it up higher than that. Yeah, just loading up the tune and let's see if what it is now. So it seems to be that it's done. The map was changed. Let's wait for like 15 seconds and try turning it on. Make a mistake and just do time lapse or something, you know. Close to Mexico now, but yeah, we're like nearly there. But yeah, it's like nearly there, you know. So let's just yeah, we're just gonna let me see if the footage is doing good. Oh, it's too bright, huh? You guys probably can't see it outside. Huh. Damn. Well, I guess I gotta put my head like this. Alright, we're gonna do one like this. Put my head all the way forward. Gonna get down to 3K RPM. Letting me. Honestly guys, this is way too much traffic like right now. This is 2 hours behind, 2 hours ahead, so it's about 11:10ish. This is way too much traffic. But yeah, and a lot of cop cars. I think I've seen about like maybe 8 cop cars around today. So I don't know, maybe go back on the freeway and try it again, but as far as I'm concerned, these streets aren't really that safe. A lot of enthusiast cars, because like I can see an E30 right there, Celica. A lot of people brought their nice cars out today. Yeah, but it's like it's whatever. And there's like a lot of work, like road work going around and shit like that. But holy crap! How about I can just do it right here? Cop hear me? No. You guys hear the pops? Yeah, it's 21 psi. Like a mile ahead. Not too bad. Only have 17 miles for empty. That's a little like, man, I swear to God, I think I put like at least $10 of gas per day to even like use this car. And then at the end of the day, it's like I only do like 2 pulls, and then $10 worth of gas is gone. So like if I fill this car up, I'm pretty sure I can probably finish this car, like the gas, in like maybe a couple hours. Cause like, even when I do 2 pulls, it's not like I drive it for like hours. It's like I only drive it for like a couple minutes, or maybe like 30-40 minutes, and then that's it. Obviously, the past few videos I've been making it all about the tune and stuff like that, just me doing pulls. I'm gonna try doing it more. Like I'm gonna try doing more with this car. I don't know if I see like a road night going on, or like a car meet that's trying to, like, you know, trying to roll race or something, probably just bring it, go there, line it up with some people and see like this Mercedes. I don't know if they want to like line it up. No, I'm not gonna ask them. Should I? No, it's more of like a family. I'm pretty sure that guy probably floored it. No hit on Mercedes, but like if you think you'll see 250 as fast, bro, let's just not talk. But yeah, one of the cars that I do want to race, or do want to compare it to, is like a Gen 3 Coyote Mustang, because those are the fastest ones that comes from factory at the moment with the 10 speeds. I caught up to him though. Yeah, I just tried running the i8, but he kind of pussied out. Because I literally like lined up with him, but he was not lining up. Come on, you have like a kind of like a supercar, but you don't want to line up with a Mustang. But yeah, that shit was way too funny. He probably thought I had like a regular ass EcoBoost until like my turbo started spooling. He probably heard that shit and he's like, oh hell nah. I ain't trying to get embarrassed and get gabbed. So yeah guys, it is the next day. I did not pick up the camera after that. As you guys can see, it's a little smoky because there's been a lot of fires around California recently. A lot of tree fires causing a lot of smoke. The air is unhealthy and shit. This is what happened like 2 years ago. Happens every year, kind of. I feel bad. More Starbucks. Damn, this Camry though. Damn. Trying to push me. Nah, the Camry still got it. People gonna be like, what the hell is on this guy's head? What is that shit? Yeah, I just kind of adjusted the camera as well. It was kind of like too bright over here, so I had to like go in the settings and like redo some little things and like make the brightness a little lower. Yeah, so hopefully you guys can see stuff now, so hopefully yeah. That's Spoonville. Just came to Teacup to get some boba. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video unless something comes up. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It was more like me just driving this car with my GoPro. It was more of a POV GoPro type of video. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.